Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick Wang, and the next few shots will only be mounted by this Ulanzi super clamp. So, enjoy. How cool is this thing, guys? Thanks for watching that short video. I'm gonna link this down below. I'm not an affiliate, but if you are interested in a super clamp, I've tested this one and it works great. And please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thanks for letting me test this out with y'all, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.